Hello, classmates! We're here again for another collab episode with our seasonal part-timer, Gabriel Anime Review.
It's me. Hi, I'm Gabriel. Yep, that's me.
I've been looking forward for the recording of this series since last week. Excited na rin ba kayo, grassmate?
Sobra akong excited sa episode ngayon kasi bitin ngayon last week.
Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa love story ni Kurosawa at Adachi?
Watch the episode till the end to find out.
Cherry Magic episode 4 to 6.
Now serving! What's that? Ano yun?
Pusa.
Cute.
Who's this?
Siya yung romance novel author.
Yung tinatawag ng advice?
Yung
Oo.
feeling gigat chat
A
pero
love advisor?
virgin din pala.
Ang kaya siya kumuha ng inspiration? Wala pala siyang experience.
Ba't sa atin yung mga doorbells dito hindi ganyan, no?
Sa atin Shopee po.
galit pa sa'yo yung rider.
Uy, pogi yung rider. Pogi yung delivery boy.
Ba't dito hindi?
Grabe.
Salbahin niyo, ah.
Oh!
May powers
Did
din siya.
he? Like, acquired the same power.
May power din siya, kagaya ni
Hindi! Kasi sabi niya kanina, kaka-birthday lang niya. So, ibig sabihin, kaka-30 lang niya.
Oh! Oh!
Mm.
Na-experience nila yung
Oh my
same
God.
shit.
Don't tell me
Oh!
magkakaganyan akong powers.
Gusto mo ba?
Oh no.
That person.
Supported for...
Oh, no.
Supported for cat. Kawaii.
Oh.
May pass sila nung cat.
Oh, no.
Wow.
Oh, no.
Seeing it in different light.
May tension ba?
May tension. Alhod na siya eh.
Hindi look forward. Tara.
Napapraning na. Oh, ayun naman siya naman.
Amazon.
Pamison.
Yung pusa.
Oh.
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 Hala.
Luring someone with your cat. Mm.
Hala, cute.
Cute.
Yung pala
Alam na
life
yung
hacks
mga...
na yun. Para maging cat person.
Oo. Alam na ang mga galawan.
Kaya Udin pangalan.
Kaya Udin yung name niya. Here we go again.
Yung magandang
That
BG na
BGM.
kanta.
Oh, no.
Si Udon nga ba talaga?
Oh, we're back to our main pair.
Oh, I think it's about the power.
It's funny how he can share his concerns with somebody else.
The BGM on this series.
Midlife crisis
Mm-mm. Midlife crisis na naman.
Reminiscing.
Dito na paano si last time. Napa-react siya doon ng bigla.
Nagkaroon siya, kumbaga sa para kanino siya bumabangon, nagkaroon siya ng reason.
Oo.
pala.
Hindi niya nasabi.
Oh. Say it.
Oh, wait! That's Kurosawa!
Yes,
Ang
it was him.
Oh, no!
Oh.
Okay, affected siya.
It was in-approach lang siya nito.
Dun, dun.
Oh, no! Feeling niya na-betray siya!
No, it's not.
Pero wala pa siyang karapatan makaramdam ng betrayal.
Ay, true yan.
They were just friends.
Kasi wala naman silang oo. They don't
Mixed
have
signals
any
pa lang
link. Ngayon na, na
Oh
siya.
my God.
May badamp!
It hurts ang magmahal ng ganito.
What's this feeling?
Napapakay.
And I can't fight this feeling anymore.
Di pagod. Charot. Na all pwede umabsent pag heartbroken.
No, it was sick. Because,
Okay. Nagpaulan.
ano ba kasi? Ba't kasi
sobrang
merong
So, sobrang broken hearted niya, nagpaulan na siya.
kinagaya
Okay daw
kasi.
okay daw kasi umiyak habang umuulan para hindi kita yung luha.
Oh!
He was just creating this scene.
Pero maganda yung scene na to. Common to sa mga rom-com eh. Pag nagkasakit.
Okay.
Nagkasakit.
then someone would visit you.
Mm. Feeling ko
Oh
medyo
no!
feeling ko magiging steamy 'tong episode na 'to.
Nag-ready ka na ba?
Oo, medyo hinaan ko ng number 1 yung electric fan namin baka ano, mararamdam ko yung init.
Ano na?
Isipin niya panaginip lang kasi ano,
So he tried. Oh no. Turned down on his first try.
Oh
sakit.
no.
Oh.
Oh
Uy,
no.
NTR.
Oh.
Rejection after rejection.
Too much.
ay may doorbell.
Ayan na. What are you waiting for?
Tada!
Uh-oh.
Oo. Ito.
Magaling pa naman magluto si Kurosawa.
Ay, yung ex niya nung nakaraan.
Oo.
Oh my gosh. Oh, ganyan siya
Grabe,
ng
iba yung
forehead.
kilig saya niya.
Kahinaan ko talaga yung background music na yan.
Forehead. Ah! I saw it coming.
Hindi ka niya bibihisan.
Why you so advanced?
Pero kasi yung usually nangyayari.
I don't think may ganyan dito. Lagi siya nag-aano no? Lagi niyang dinadown yung sarili niya.
Wala siyang self-confidence.
Kaya feeling niya hindi talaga siya magugustuhan ni Kurosawa.
Lagi yun. Bakit bumibili ng jelly kapag may fever?
Jelly?
Para yata
ano?
madaling ma-digest.
Ah.
Oh no.
May matay ba siya?
Self-pity. No one would do this for me. Only you.
Oh no. Danger, danger.
Intrusive thoughts.
Oh! Oh!
Oh my God!
She mentioned it.
Wait! Bakit pa sinasuggest niya sa iba si Adachi? Ah, okay, okay. Those were just...
Oh!
Medyo nag-iingat pa rin siya si
Deep
Kurosawa.
inside.
Oo. Hindi pala yun yung totoo niyang thought nang sinabi niya yun.
Oh! Anyway.
All your first! What the hell? All your first!
Oh!
Oh my God.
This is too close. Oh!
Pal.
Hi. But it looks like this woman was related to him. Yeah, they have the same color of eyes.
Hindi ka niya? Sabi na nga ba?
Oh, see, it's coming. It was his sister.
It's easy to misunderstand things if you have like interest on someone.
Mga tamang hinala.
But I don't think he would misunderstand it if hindi niya alam yung totoong thought ni Kurosawa.
Naamoy ka ng ate niya na medyo yan ang kapatid niya.
Baka. Alright, ito naman siya.
Oh, that's it. Kukunin niya yung kotse. Yung pala hiniram niya. Living together.
Oo, iya.
Layo na!
Living together and making breakfast for him.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh,
It was
disturbing.
him. So they would live together for a while.
Oh, no.
He doesn't approve yet.
Oh,
Oh,
Grabe.
oh, didn't expect it. At this
Aggressive, ah.
episode 5. Oh. Don't show me the face.
suggestive.
Grabe.
Oh, don't do it. The gentleman of him punches himself.
Nagkatalo yung mga intrusive thoughts.
Your inner battle.
Napaka-ano niya talaga, no? Napaka-gentleman niya. I mean, kung ibang ibang series siguro yun, inatak niya na yun. Okay.
Oh. Wait.
Hindi tayo prepared. Ano nangyari doon?
What happened? It did not show it.
Ay, nako, sa train naman.
Oh,
Oops!
oh. This happened too. I could see this
Salamat sa
coming.
friend ah.
I like the
Mm.
fact na hindi na siya masyadong nasu-surprise. Sobrang cool lang niya sa mga thoughts ni Kurosawa.
Ew, those eyes.
Oh no. Huli.
Judgmental.
Ito yung niligtas niya last episode. Siya talaga target nila.
Nag-isip siya ng mga lulutuin.
Oh, ayun na. Fond of him.
Ano ba yung fond of him? Medyo
Parang-
synonyms lang eh.
Oh, parang natutuwa na siya sa kanya.
Mhm.
Ganon.
Pero nasa confusing face pa rin siya.
Oo, confusing state.
Ayan na naman siya. Ayan na naman siya sa mga thoughts niya.
Oh, siya yung guy! Earlier.
Oh, he saw them.
Out and proud.
Mhm.
Oh no, he wanted to join for sure. This is bad. Oh,
Disappointed ah.
oh no.
And then this guy has no idea at all.
Nanhid ah. Di
Pero
makaramdam.
so disappointed.
Parang siya pa yung naging 3D.
Ayun, naging third wheel.
Kapakit ang gilas.
Third wheel na nga,
Kayaki.
naging cook pa.
Oo.
Pagkakadikit yung kamela. Iba yung
Ayan na, ayan na.
competitive ah.
Oh no. Nandadaya si Adachi. Ginagamit niya lagi yung powers niya. Oh no. Intrusive thoughts.
He was trying to, but he knows.
Ah,
He knows. Unfortunately, alam niya, hindi gagana yan.
Hindi niya tinulungan eh.
Hindi gagana.
Mhm. Ang cool ng image niya sa ulo niya.
What? Are you sleeping over?
Oh!
Ang pogi pa rin kahit natutulog ah.
Oh.
Hindi fair.
Samantalang ako kamukha ni Kazuma nung nasagasaan siya. Pag tutulog.
What the heck?
Akala ko kamukha ni Kasuma nung bagong gising. Oh!
Oh!
Oo.
No, no.
Ibang kabeda nito.
Siya din yung pinipraise eh.
Ay.
Aggressive.
Nagiging aggressive na! My boy, calm down.
He was threatened.
Oh.
Ayan
It's
na.
because of that. Ay.
Lagi na lang.
Na-interrupt na naman sila.
Why you wake up?
Oh, sleepover.
Ay. Did we share?
Mm.
Now he's the one who's jealous.
Siya lang sa taig.
Oh, sino kaya magtatabi?
At iba yung sounds doon.
Gumagawa sa sariling rules ah.
Oo. Oh,
Oh!
sigilan yung sarili niya.
Oh!
Oh, okay.
He
Yun yung
ended up that way. Ay!
nakahag na siya kay Kurosawa.
Is he gonna see it?
Oh my God.
Ganyan ba nangyayari kapag nag-sleepover ang boys?
Puro
Mga na-imagine mo?
do it.
Okay, hindi ako guy, so hindi ko alam kung ganyan nangyayari sa sleepovers.
Ah! I
Oh.
saw it coming!
Wow.
Simula nang niligtas niya siya. Oh,
Wait,
napansin
gata mo
niya!
Joshi! Ikaw ba yan, Yubi?
Go, girl!
Self-insert, UV.
You go, girl! Oh, Mati sabi nga misunderstanding.
Kala niya may pogi problems na siya eh.
Eh.
Putol
Naguguluhan
yung
na
ano,
siya.
Parang ano siya, may selective hearing.
Ang kulit.
Naririnig lang niya yung gusto niya marinig.
Hey! Oh my gosh! Calm yourself, girl!
Kalmahan mo.
Welcome to the Fujoshi world. Sorry, Adachi, but you got the wrong girl. Ikaw ba, hindi ka ba mako-confuse kung ikaw si Adachi?
Baka depende kung Ding Dong Dantes, charot.
Wow! Ding Dong Dantes. Lost in
Oh my
thought.
God.
Tired of thinking of you.
Oh my God!
Is it? Oh, he clarified it. Oh, didn't
This is too
expect.
fast! This is so fast! Episode 5?
Episode
Didn't
5 pa lang
expect
ah.
this.
We're not even half!
Ang 11 na to eh.
This is the... Why? Every time, ito yung binibigay nitong series na to.
Sobrang unexpected.
Pang finale yung mga confession.
May mga flashbacks, gano'n. Sarili ko niya yung totoong thoughts niya.
Oo.
Tapos na sila sa charades nila.
Napagod na si Kurosawa.
Pwede maging awkward.
Yeah, hindi niya pa nabibigay yung sagot niya.
Saka parang nagiging unfair siya kasi naalalaman niya eh.
Oo, kasi he knows yung thought ni Kurosawa.
Kaya malalo siya nako-confuse.
Oo. Kung nasusway lang ba siya. Oh, no.
Timing ah.
Kasi hindi niya nabigay yung sagot niya. Magkakaroon sila ng moment nito.
Ay, nating Fujoshi girl. Tapos ayan pa, kaya siya nako-confused kasi hindi niya alam na ano siya, na Fujoshi siya. He thinks that she likes him.
Hindi pa
Puro
tapos
lost in translation eh.
Hindi pa tapos eh. Ay, kuragtong kasi yun.
Kaya mas lalo siya nako-confuse eh.
Oh,
Grabe ah.
he was choosing this route.
Oh, no.
Ba't ganun ba yan? Kapag nawala ng virginity, magiging okay na siya?
I don't know.
We don't know.
Series! Kasi natin to, we'll see at the end.
Ganun ba yun?
I don't know. But yun naman yun. Kasi, like, ang dami nilang complications if i-date niya si Kurosawa.
But after that confession,
I mean, if you were in his position, would you? Would
let's
you
ask
respond?
our new part-timer. Would you, Gabriel?
Would you respond?
Siyempre hindi pa, di ba? Dahil sa knowing na nasa Japan sila, di ba? Parang iba yung thinking
Yeah, the
ng
culture.
outsiders.
Mhm.
Kaya medyo, ano pa siya,
I want to love him.
doon siya masaya eh.
Ganun pa din. He still wants him to be happy. Kahit hindi sa kanya.
The gentleman's way.
Pero ang awkward nga niyan if magka-work kayo.
Tapos makikita mo, meron na siyang dinidate na iba.
So,
The pain. Would you endure
heart.
it?
the heartache. Baka mapalipat ako na ibang company niyan na.
Magre-resign
Okay.
ka na lang.
O kaya dapat siya pag-resignin mo.
Sabihan mo, mag-resign ka nga.
Oh my God.
Oh!
Yun oh. I love
Sasalubungin?
it. I love it. Mga gantong takbuhan tapos may lalakas yung background music.
Nakaka-English kasi yung background music bumabagay.
Ayan na. Yung
Effort talaga siya sa
the build-up is here.
Oh no! No!
No,
Oh my God! Pero masama kun.
Ayan na.
Oh my God.
Sasabihin naman niya.
Oh my God, nalabot tuhod ko. Oh my God.
Wait. Ayun na ba?
Oh my God. Binibuild up yung anticipate. Never mind. Nabubulol na ako.
The confession.
Oh no.
Honest na siya sa sarili niya. Walang epan.
Oh, he said it.
We win, guys! We win!
Akala ko kiki sila. Hinawakan niya kasi sa name. Paano ba?
Hinabol niya kaya siya? Makikita sila ng babae kung hinabol niya sila. Thought ko,
Oh my
Kinikilig siya.
That's it. The gentleman. The intrusive thought.
Ay, yung ano.
The usual push.
So, anong na-feel mo? Your first BL hug.
Masaya. Wonderful.
Wonderful.
My God!
Subarashi.
Oh my God! I'm starting to worry. I'm getting worried.
Ramdam ko yung warm nung hug pero kasi ano, ang genuine kasi.
Hindi siya pilit eh, no?
Oo.
Yan na,
Hindi siya.
approach na naman siya.
Oh, yan na, yan na.
Ay, di niya pa nabigay.
Ah.
Ay, nabigay niya na ba? She was so happy.
Mali pa rin siya ng ano.
Fujoshi skin instinct.
You cannot hide. Oh my God. Ang daming kira-kira ni ano, ni Kurosawa.
Bakit siya may pasalubong?
Suslok.
Yan na, yan na.
Lagi sumisingit eh.
Oh no. Did you figure it out? Oh no. Oh no.
Oh my
That's not
God.
it.
Wrong idea.
Write this
Sorry
story.
doon.
Oh.
Nakakatakot maging 30.
Nako-force
siya.
na ba? Nako-force
Natakot
na.
siya.
Is this love?
Let us know.
Kasi pa-deliver pa siya ng mga ano na para lang makita.
Oh! Yung mga galawan niya.
He was into a younger.
Uy, alam ko na yun groomer. Charot.
That's not
Oh my God!
Hindi yun yun.
But we don't know. Malay mo, groomer nga siya.
Hindi.
Hindi, nag-work na eh. Ayun.
Nag-work na to. Oh no, he keeps on approaching him.
Ayun yung sila ng friend na dancer din.
Oh, baka
Okay.
yun
Kaya yung
nga,
tinutukoy
dalawa
pala
nga
na ano,
sila.
part-time.
Oo. Nung si ano ang pangalan nun?
Nadikit na naman. Bigla naging inspirational speaker.
Right in the feels.
Motivation rise.
Or ano lang yan eh, yung age gap nila, millennial at saka Gen Z.
Does it mean they are officially?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh, Thursday!
Is this beach episode?
Maybe amusement park episode?
Maybe cafe episode.
Cultural festival, pero matanda na sila eh. Kaya yung mga ano, fireworks.
Ito
Oh,
naman yung
no.
panic mode.
What to wear?
Ganun ba talaga? Nagre-research ba talaga?
Research for the outfit. Oh, maybe shopping. Online shopping.
Bagal talaga pag first time.
Legit? Ganun ba talaga?
No!
So, oh my God, parang ako lang to yung nonchalant sa ganyan. Just wear whatever I feel. Yun lang.
Ang na-enjoy ko dito sa episode is yung ano, though ang bilis ng ano ng progression ng story nila Adachi saka ni Kurosawa. Nag-enjoy ako dun dun sa may pusa saka dun sa ano kasi parang magkakaroon ka ulit ng panibagong character na susubaybayan na ma-develop yung feelings nila while pinanonood mo yung dating era naman nila
Akala ko natuwa
Ni-
siya dun sa ano.
ni Tadashi saka ni Kurosawa.
Akala ko natuwa siya dun sa Fujoshi na office mate. She was having the same POV na nakikita natin.
So, mas nagkaroon siya ng ano, deeper idea kung paano nag-work ang mind ng isang Fujoshi.
Yeah.
Mm.